we had a problem. Okay? But before we get into today's video, we've got to talk about this. 75% of you guys are not subscribed. Please hit that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel, really helps us grow. Now, we want to say thank you to our sponsor, www.CFMOTOUSAParts.com, discount code R.N.G. Those guys can get you anything for CFMOTO that you're looking for. Them guys can get it, or they might just have it. They're well worth checking out. Now, today's video. We had a slight mishap the other day, but I didn't say nothing about it because I had this video planned. It kind of screwed up the last video, and you'll understand why, but we didn't let it screw it up. We're just doing it after. So you guys didn't even notice that this one tire is different. It's still factory. We're missing one tire and rim, wheel, it's a wheel. When we did the video, you guys didn't even notice that wheel and tire was missing. So let's explain why that is and how we're going to fix it. The company accidentally packaged and sent the wrong rim. The only thing on this rim that actually matches is the beadlock, but that's okay because they got another rim sent right out to us, and we have that right over here on the bench. The reason why it kind of screwed up the first video is because in the first video I wanted to show you how easy it actually is to install tires on these beadlocks. How simple and easy. You don't need a tire machine, you don't need nothing. You just need a 13mm socket and some other tools. We'll get into that in a minute. So without further ado, let's install this. And then there's something else that I left out on that video because I wanted to show you. So keep watching and you'll find out just what that is coming right up. So guys, we got to first take this beadlock off, okay? And we're gonna get our tool. It was actually a little too much for the job, but I'm a trained professional. I'm not gonna hurt a thing. You gotta wanna get your tire. This is super easy, guys. This is directional. So since this is going on the driver's side rear, we're gonna need the tire to turn counterclockwise, so to the left, if we were looking at it straight on. So it's gonna go that way. But first, we're gonna flip it over because we need to put some lubrication on this bead here that's going down over. And you can use anything. You can use Dawn dish soap, soapy water. You could take a bar of soap and just rub it on there. Anything. This is all we have, so we're gonna do that. We're just gonna take a paper towel and kind of smear it around. We're only doing one tire. If we was doing more, I would get the Dawn out. Now, what I like to do, this helps you seat the bead. What I like to do is take and put some right about in here and let it run down. This is gonna help the tire from sticking. And we can just take our paper towel and kind of, trust me guys, it's gonna help. Soap and water will do better, but this stuff will actually evaporate, so soap and water will dry. But are you ready for how hard this is gonna be? Can you believe they wanted to charge me $200? That is insane. That's $50 a wheel to do this. They wanted to charge me $200, and then I actually had a few tire shops tell me no. So I'm doing it myself. And it isn't taking very long at all. here comes the part where everybody tells me I'm doing it wrong and I should get the torque wrench out. Blah, blah, blah. And then I'm going to tell them, listen, I have years of experience. I know what I'm doing. And I'm not going to strip it out. I'm going to make sure this ring goes down evenly. So keep your torque wrench comments to yourself. Because yes, I own a torque wrench and it stays in the drawer that it belongs in. Because everything you torque always comes loose. Just saying. So we're going to set that down there. We're going to start these bolts by hand. Every single one of them. Got to start them by hand because you don't want to strip them out. P.S. I would have paid $100 to have these done. Just saying. Now, what I like to do is start at one bolt and work my way around easily. Watch. More packages for me.
What was that?
More packages for me.
Oh yeah. Just one today.
Look guys, how many times you come to my house a month?
At least 5 to 6 maybe.
5 to 6.
At least twice a week.
Just you. That doesn't include the other 3 drivers.
Oh yeah, here you go.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
No problem. You have a good one.
You too, buddy. There you go, guys. That's another video we're gonna do. All right, where was we? I lost track. The Amazon guy came. Okay, so I made it all the way around. So we're gonna start there again. There you go, guys. You just evenly go just a little bit around it, okay, until the ring stops moving. You'll notice the ring stopped moving, and that's basically all there is. Now let's get air in it. All right, guys, I want you to watch this bead. We're gonna put some air in it. There's 14 pounds. It's seated almost. Got one other spot to get. It'll go. We can put up to 28 in it, so. There's 16. There we go. See, we got some leaks going. Got some leaks going. So we're gonna have to put some more in it, let it sit that way. All right, there's 20. There's 20 pounds in it. I don't hear any leaks. Sealed up. So the reason why you got to put so much in it is to stretch the tire and let it seat on that rim. So I like to let these sit for about a day or so before I adjust the pressure. This has 20 in it. The other one took 12 and 2 of them took about 25 to seat the beads. So I like to let them sit, kind of stretch out, do their thing. Especially in the heat, they'll stretch and settle right in. So let's go put it on. right, guys, so you saw me use wheel spacers. I went with 5+3 offset rims with a 1.5 inch wheel spacer, which sets it out mighty nicely, if I must say. It looks killer. And I know there's guys that are saying they don't dig the color of the rims. It actually sets this four-wheeler off good. Camera does not do them justice whatsoever at all. It kind of sucks, but it is what it is. You got to see this thing in person. It really is set off. It's got a nice stance now. It looks great. So if you're wondering where you can get your wheel spacers, you can get those at our sponsor, www.cfmotousaparts.com. Discount code CapitalRedneck to save you some money at checkout. That discount code works for anything over $50 and anything under $2,000. So discount's a discount, guys. Check them out. But yeah, there you have it. You guys didn't even notice in the first video there was only 3 tires on it. Redneck is sneaky. We just got the rim today. Today as in Wednesday. We did that video a few days ago. So, all right, guys, I want to thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe button on the way out. Peace out and God bless. We'll see you in the next one. This weekend's gonna be epic. Peace.